Hi everyone! Today I'm taking you through another pumping session using my manual breast pump. I'll show you my routine from start to finish, so let's get started. Now I'm placing the pump comfortably and making sure everything is positioned correctly before I begin. I always start with slow, gentle squeezes to help my body ease into the session. Once I notice everything feels comfortable, I switch to a steady rhythm. From here, I simply stay consistent. I keep the pressure even and avoid squeezing too quickly. If I need to make a small adjustment or take a short pause, I do that and then continue. I don't focus on rushing or watching the time. I just concentrate on keeping the movement smooth and comfortable. Staying relaxed is the biggest part of my routine, and I found that consistency works much better than trying to hurry. Every session can be a little different, so I just follow what feels right and keep going until I'm finished. And here's today's milk in the bottle. I'm really happy with how everything went, and it's always nice seeing the final result after a calm session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's little routine. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.